Look, let me tell you, not everybody is gonna like you, and that's okay. See, the fact of the matter is, a lot of us live our lives being obsessed over other people's opinions about us. But the truth can really change your life. One of the most common thoughts people have on their deathbeds, or when they're just getting close to death, isn't always just about not reaching your goals, but it's also about how you didn't live life for yourself. The truth is, most people who spend all their time trying to get others to like them don't even like themselves. This really just comes from a place of validation. And I get it. A lot of that validation stuff really does stem from our childhoods and how we were raised, like the attention that we didn't get. And, I think a lot of us struggle with that nowadays. But that doesn't mean you have to live your entire life like that, bro. A big part of the game is just taking a step back and really just reflecting on everything that you've been through, trying to piece together why you care so much about what other people think. And social media isn't helping. If anything, it's probably propagating the whole thing, and it's not going to slow down anytime soon. That's why it's good to have conversations about this stuff, because if you don't talk about it, if you don't even think about this type of stuff, then you're just going to end up in a category of people that are living to be validated by others. I'm telling you, that is no way to live, bro. Like, if other people's opinions is where you get your self-worth from, oh, I'm telling you, you're going to have a whole lot of issues in life. And I'm not saying that it's going to be easy to switch that mindset, because it's not. I think we all struggle with that every once in a while, at least. So again, some more than others, but you don't have to let that dictate your life. It's always easier said than done, especially when you're hanging around with people that are either the same or will put you down because you aren't like them. I think that's the worst type of people to be around. And there's so much people like that nowadays, guys. We don't even think about it, but they are all over the place. We're infested with this type of mindset now. Therefore, it's really in your best interest to just slowly start changing your environment. Hanging out with people that build their self-worth in themselves. They do things, they achieve goals, and that's how they actually build this confidence and value in themselves. It helps them just become better people. There's not too much people like that, but there are people like that out there. Really, it's like a filtering process. You kind of weed people in and out of your life until you end up with the right people. Don't get me wrong, that's not a one-day thing. It's not even a 1 month thing, or maybe even a 1 year thing. Because at the end of the day, not everybody's gonna like you. So all I'm saying is just don't break your back trying to please everybody, because then you'll just drain everything you got from yourself, bro. And we ain't got no time for that. We got no damn time for that. But you know what we do got time for? It's gonna make some damn gains, everybody.